Welcome to our channel, Global Site Engineering. Today, we are discussing an important topic: low alloy steel versus carbon steel versus stainless steel, with practical differences. Let's start with carbon steel. Carbon steel is an iron-carbon alloy, with carbon as the main element, up to 2%. It may also contain small amounts of manganese, sulfur, or silicon, but it has no significant alloying elements. Types include low carbon, under 0.3%, medium carbon, from 0.3 to 0.6%, and high carbon, above 0.6%. It is inexpensive, easy to weld, and widely used, but poor in corrosion resistance. You will see carbon steel in structural beams, boiler tubes like A106 grade B, and pipelines like API5L grade B or X42. Now, let's move to low alloy steel. This is carbon steel with added elements, between 1 to 5%, to improve properties. Common elements include chromium, molybdenum, nickel, and vanadium. Examples are P11, P22, and P91, used in steam and pressure systems. They offer better strength, creep resistance, and temperature endurance, but they often require preheating and post-weld heat treatment. Now, let's talk about stainless steel. It contains at least 10.5% chromium, forming a passive oxide layer to prevent rust. It may also contain nickel for toughness, molybdenum for chloride resistance, and titanium or nitrogen in special grades. Common grades include 304 for general use, 316 for marine and chemical areas, 321 for high temperature, 904L for acidic environments, and duplex stainless for pipelines and offshore structures. Let's compare key mechanical properties. Carbon steel yields strength 250 to 350 megapascals. Low alloy steel 400 to 600 plus MPa. Stainless steel 200 to 550 megapascals, depending on grade. Corrosion resistance. Carbon steel, poor. Low alloy steel, moderate. Stainless steel, excellent. Weldability. Carbon steel, easy. Low alloy, controlled with preheat. Stainless, needs clean zone and gas shielding. Now, let's see where to use them practically. For steam lines, use low alloy steels like P22 or P91. For crude pipelines, use carbon steel with coating and cathodic protection. For acid service, use stainless steel 316, 904L, or duplex. For tanks and vessels, CS with internal lining, or stainless, depending on contents. And for offshore, always prefer duplex stainless steel. Now, real-world welding tips. Carbon steel, easy with basic SMAW or GTAW. Low alloy steel, control heat and apply PWHT. Stainless steel, use low heat, clean surfaces, and inert gas. Duplex stainless, tightly control interpass temperature and heat input. To conclude, use carbon steel when cost is the priority and corrosion is manageable. Use low alloy steel when high temperature and pressure are involved. Use stainless steel when corrosion, hygiene, or longevity matters, such as offshore, pharma, and chemical service. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe to Global Site Engineer. See you in the next video.